How to fix iPhone speaker crackling sound issue in iOS 18. So let's start the video. First of all, make sure if your iPhone case is not covering the speaker grill. If it's covering the speaker grill, then remove the iPhone case and then your speaker will be work properly. And if it doesn't work, then open settings and click on general and click on software update. Here you can check your iOS latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update, then update it. After updating latest iOS version, restart your iPhone. For restart your iPhone, press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time, and slide this icon to right side for restart your iPhone. After restarting your iPhone, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.